Hello, welcome to iMobie channel. If you want to add a watermark to your work, this video will help you learn how to use the Add Watermark function with Wipit. After opening Wipit, you can click the plus button in the main interface to add the work. Taking video as an example, after adding successfully, Wipit will automatically enter the main interface. Then enable the Show Watermark in the top right corner of the software. Click the plus button below and select the watermark image you want to add. After adding successfully, you can drag the watermark to adjust its position, or drag the four corners of the watermark to modify the size. You also can click here to undo the operation. If you want to set the transparency of the watermark, you just need to move the opacity slider to change it. If you want to change the watermark image, just click the plus button here to replace it. Once the adding is completed, you can click Export to export the video. For adding the watermark to an image, similarly, you can click the plus button to add the image, and Wipit will enter the work interface. You can click the plus or minus to zoom in or out of the image. Then enable the Show Watermark and add the watermark image. After adding successfully, you can drag the photo or its four corners to change the position and size of the watermark. If necessary, you can undo the last operation with this button. You also can drag the opacity slider to adjust the watermark's transparency. If you need to change the watermark picture, you can right-click the plus button to replace it. After making the watermark successfully, you can click Preview to check your work. If there are no other modifications, you can click the Export button to export